Alright everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will be understanding major histocompatibility complex, and we will be understanding the locus and what are the components inside that locus, and what are the contribution of those components. Okay, so let's imagine this is the chromosome 6. Okay, this is a chromosome 6, and in that chromosome you have various segments. So let me also create the centromere. So for that I need a round circle. I mean, it's not very easy to actually create these kind of illustrations. Anyways, okay. So this is the centromere of the chromosome, okay, and that's the arm of the chromosome. Chromosome number 6. Remember that number for major histocompatibility complex, or also known as MHC. MHC, you have 3 MHC classes. We'll start with the class 2. Class 2 will have DP component, DA component, and it also has DR component, and that is also known as HLA, human leukocyte antigen -D, right? And let me label it down also, class 2. So basically in chromosome you have different regions. They are named as DP, DA, and DR. And what are those regions? Let me explain that. DR, you have first DR, which is going to contribute to alpha and beta chains, right? Major histocompatibility complex, they have alpha and beta chains. DQ, you have again alpha and beta chains, okay? Because you need a different sequence for different chains, right? And DP also, you have alpha and beta chains. All these segments they are going to contribute to these chains, and this is alpha chain and this is beta chain. This is how the MHC class 2 molecule look like. So most of these segments, they're going to contribute to the variability of these alpha and beta chains. So the DR, DQ, DP is the locus, and those are the products. Now let's move on to the class 3. Class 3 is actually in between class 1 and class 2, okay? And in this one, amazingly, you have a totally different kind of proteins, soluble proteins. We'll start with the locus. Let me write it down. Class 3, we'll start with the locus and then product. Locus and then product. Okay, so the gene and its product. C4, BF, and C2. What is C4? What is BF? Let me explain. C4 is the 4th component of the complement system. As I've told you, these are the complement proteins. Factor B of the complement system is that BF part, and then C2 is the 2nd component of the complement system. And these are the products for the MHC class 3 complex. Next is obviously MHC class 1. You have B region, you have C region, and you have A region, which is present on the the chromosome 6, if you remember that. This is the class 1. Now let's talk about the locus, okay, and its product. Locus, as I already mentioned, you have A, C, and B. A will contribute to the, let's say, one allele, approximately 95 alleles of class 1 protein. It can see again 1 of 50 alleles of class 1 approximately, and B is one of the 200 alleles of class 1. What I mean by that is, class 1, you have a lot of variability. And this data is a little bit older. I think we now have thousands of alleles for these particular genes, and this is going to contribute to only one specific type of allele from those thousands of the genes, right? And obviously it's going to come from your parents, from mother and father, and they are going to codominantly expressed, right? That is the most important point in MHC complex, right? So you have a lot of variability, and this genetic arrangement is very, very important. You need to know that DPDR, DPDA, DR region is there. You need to know that complement proteins are there. You need to know that you have BCA class 1 class 1 regions. So that is really important. So this will conclude the genetic makeup of your major histocompatibility complex. I have covered so many things, and you just go and watch Biology Goals, entire collection of videos. You will be overwhelmed by the data I have generated. But anyways, I really like showing these topics in an illustrative way, so that you're able to understand those. And if you think I've did a good job, then please comment, and if you like the video, please hit the like button and do subscribe to the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Take care, everyone.